So you've got your lovely finished design inside of Canva. You've got it there. It's a nice square design or whatever design it is you've got. And your boss comes to you and says, oh, can we use that online to share across this platform or that platform? And it's a different size. Well, don't worry. I've got you. We've got 3 ways of how you can resize your design inside of Canva. Let's dive in and get started straight away. First way is to come into Canva, and this is the long way. You come in, you click Control A. So once you've actually got something clicked on the side there, you can click Control A. That's going to highlight all of the elements on the page. You click Command C for copy. You come to your new design. We're going to create an Instagram post on this one, and then you just paste in your elements inside of the page there. You can see it doesn't copy over the background color. You just come in and just grab that if you need to, or if it's set up under your brand kit, you can just grab it from your brand kit and shuffle and do all that jazz there. That's number 1. But there is an easier way that you can do this. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Darren. I'm a Canva verified expert. I do things all Canva related on here. So if that's something you're into, then do consider clicking that subscribe button, click the bell notification icon, the like and all that jazz. Let's dive in and get started and show you how to resize your design inside of Canva. The other way that you can do this is you can come over and you can click on the grid view down here. You can click highlight the whole page, and again, Command C, or you can come up to the 3 dots and choose copy. You come over, you click and open your next design on your browser tab, and then you just paste that in there. And you can see this way, this time it's actually copied in that background color. You might need to kind of like play about with some of the other like elements and make them kind of fit a little bit better and things like that. But that's option number 2 of how you can resize your designs inside of Canva, is to copy from the grid view and then paste it into the new design. There is a bit of a flaw in each of those 2 methods. One is you're going to have to name it. It's not copied across any kind of like naming file, and you would also have to file and save to a folder to make sure you're keeping your designs and everything organized inside of Canva. And this is the option that I use all the time when I resize a design, and that is using the Magic Resize or Magic Switch option. Now this option is a Canva Pro option, and if you do want to give this option a go, there's a link down below to a 45-day trial of Canva Pro. But let's have a look at how we can use Magic Resize to create a copy of this across multiple designs and also help you stay organized inside of Canva. Okay, you'll see on here I've got this thumbnail or this design, if you like, inside of a folder called thumbnails. Now you've seen on those other options it's not kept them organized, there's been no name. This file is called Getting Organized in Canva, and I'm pointing these things out to you so you can see what happens when I do this. We're going to come up, click the Magic Resize button, and we want to resize it to a LinkedIn reel, say a TikTok video or a LinkedIn post. If you want to choose more options, you can choose more options. There's other social media options that you can choose from. You've got all of them here, and you can just scroll along. So if you want to create a Pinterest pin as well of this design, really handy to do this. You can see we've got 4 sizes selected, and if you click this little down arrow, it actually tells you which ones you've got selected. So if for some reason you didn't want to have an Instagram reel and a TikTok video, and there is a reason to choose both of those, and I'm going to show you that in a moment, but you might want to do one of them first and then resize it into the other ones. And there's two reasons as to why you'd want to do that. Okay, so we've got our 4 items selected there, and we just click continue on the item there. It's going to take a few moments, and it's going to come up and it's going to give us a little preview of these. Now you can see we can't click on mobile video because these 2 are going to be the same, so it doesn't actually click on that, but we can click on LinkedIn post, and we can then also click on Pinterest pin, and it's got all the elements in there for us. And we click on resize to 4 designs. We just click that, and then this is where the magic happens. It's actually going to save it to this folder here. Okay, so that's going to be where it's going to save these designs to. Okay, you can't change that at the moment. I've not seen an option to be able to change where you're saving these designs to, but it's telling you it's going to save these designs to this folder. So tick number 1, it's keeping you organized. It's going to keep these designs organized inside of that folder for you to be able to easily find them afterwards as well. We're going to click Open Designs. And this is reason number 2, is that it's so fast to just create those 4 designs. You can see we've got now 4 tabs along the top here, and it's just resized those designs. And reason number 3 to use the Magic Resize option inside of Canva is you can see it's actually added Pinterest pin to the end of this one. It's called LinkedIn post on this one, and on this one it's got mobile video, and also on that one it's got mobile video. But you can rename those 2 to be TikTok or Instagram Reels. And the reason you might want to only do one of those first is that you can then create a duplicate. So rather than coming in and having to jig this one about and then do the same on the next design, you might want to just come in, create the version that you've got of your reel, and then just copy that design. And when you create a copy, just change the name at the end to be TikTok. Now, one thing that I did forget almost to show you is that when you actually go back to your folders, you can see inside of your folder here for thumbnails where we actually created that copy from, you can see it's actually created a copy of all of these inside of your folder. And you can see this better if you actually click on the list view down here. You can see you've got all these different views, and all you need to do is you need to either click these and move them to a different folder. You can see you've got your move to folder different option down here, or you can just click on the 3 dots at the side. Oops. Let's go back to the home page. You can click on the 3 dots at the side and you can just click create move to folder, and that's going to allow you to then move it to the folder that you want to, or if you want to keep it in this folder, that's great, but I would probably move this to a different folder that is for Pinterest pins or LinkedIn posts or something like that. And that's exactly how you can resize your design in really easy steps and stay organized inside of Canva. Really do hope that has helped you figure out how you can resize your designs inside of Canva. Now, if you want to learn more about being organized and getting organized inside of Canva, watch this video here. And if not, watch this video here. I don't know what this video is, but this is the one that YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy next best. So do click on that, feed the algorithm and all those juicy good things, and watch all of my videos, and you'll learn lots about Canva. And until next time, thank you very much, and bye for now.